Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper in Zen Browser. The first thing I want you to do is come here, click on New Tab. This will open up the search bar. I want you to type in about config, then hit enter, and it will ask you to proceed with caution. Click here, accept the risk and continue. And then here where it says search preference name, I want you to type this in exactly as it is, zen.url.replace-new tab. And then here you'll see it as true. Just click on that again to change it to false. And then when you open up a new tab, it will open up like this instead of a search bar. And then come here, click on customize. And then here you can change the wallpaper. As you can see, you can choose from any of these photographs or these abstract solid colors. You can also upload your own image just by clicking on that icon and then browsing through your images and opening that up. Otherwise, it is really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.